How to use LinkedIn to build an email list fast and free. You know, Constant Contact reports that for every dollar spent on email marketing, a company makes $36 in return. That's a tremendous return on investment, yet you'd be surprised how few companies and how few individuals and entrepreneurs are using email effectively to get clients. So it would be wise to explore using email as part of your marketing strategy. And what we're going to be talking about today is how to get people from LinkedIn onto your email list so that you can market to them. So let's get right to that. Oh, actually, before I do that, I just remembered I created a really cool on-demand workshop for you. It's right here. It's at proutyclass.com. If you type proutyclass.com into your browser, it's going to bring you to a page. The workshop is right there. It's going to start playing right away. And it's going to teach you a whole bunch of things through case studies, examples, and step-by-step on how to attract clients from LinkedIn or from a whole bunch of different social medias, whichever one you want. It's all there for you. So just go to proutyclass.com and check that out. By the way, I'm Chris Prouty. For the last 22 years, I've helped thousands of paying clients build their businesses by attracting clients to them. But I do it in a way like you might not think, because these people enjoy doing something and getting paid for it, and we just find more people for them to do that. I do it with a done-with-you approach that we're just not seeing done anywhere else. You can learn more about that here too, by the way. I put a little bit of information there for you. So let's talk about the matter at hand today, and that's how do we build an email list from our LinkedIn connections. It's actually quite simple. The first step is to create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is some piece of information that you're giving away in exchange for an email address. So a lead magnet might be a checklist or an ebook. It could be a video. It could be a training series. It could be a consultation with you. Whatever it is, it's something of value that your prospects want that they will give you their email address for. So you have to create something like this. If you don't have any created, don't worry. You can do this today. Just go ahead and think about what you do and make a very simple checklist for people. My guidance to you is this: make a checklist that gets them ready to become a client. For example, if I were making a lead magnet, I mean, I have dozens of lead magnets, but if I were making one, my perfect prospect or my perfect client comes to me with their social media accounts set up. So I could make a guide on how to perfectly set up Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. And then I could give it away to people in exchange for an email address. When they follow that guide or that checklist, now they've become the perfect client for me. I've got their email address. I think you can see how this all works. So create yourself a lead magnet that you can start to give away. The next thing I want you to do is go on to a program like Canva. You can even use the free version of Canva and create a social graphic that represents that lead magnet. One of the things that you could do is, if you're giving away, say, a checklist, you could make like a cover for that checklist and put it in a social graphic so that people see what they're getting. It's going to encourage more people to get it when they see something that they're getting. If you're giving them a video training series, maybe take a screen capture from the video and create it, put a little play button over it, and create that social graphic. Because the next thing that we're going to do is write social content that offers that lead magnet to your prospects. So you've got your lead magnet, you've got your graphic, and now you're going to create social posts that offer that lead magnet. Very, very simple to do. You're going to be creating social content that offers your lead magnet. Write a couple of sentences that talk about the benefit of downloading the lead magnet and then tell them how they can get it. I like to recommend that, and a lot of my successful clients do this, they just simply write, send me a DM or leave a comment below and I will get it to you. Whoever sends you a direct message or leaves a comment, you reach out to them and say, give me your email address, I will send it to you. And then you write something like, oh, by the way, I've got some other free training that I can send to you as well. Would you be interested in that? If they say yes, now you have somebody that you can send more emails to. If they say no, do not email them ever again. They don't want to hear from you. They want the free thing and they want to be done with it, and that's fine too. Those people that say yes, you can now send emails to and send them more pure value, more educational content, but also include some offers in that content. Include offers like, hey, let's get together and strategize with you. I've got a few minutes this week. I'd love to share some more ideas with you on a call. Want to hop on a call with me? That kind of a simple offer will go a long way. So we just took people from your LinkedIn connections and we brought them onto your email list, and now we're getting them onto your calendar so that you can talk with them. Ultimately, when you talk with them, you've given them all of this great information, all of these gestures of generosity. They're going to want to reciprocate, and they're going to be more likely to want to become clients. And that's how we build an email list very quickly from LinkedIn. Like, you could start building this today if you create that lead magnet and then just start getting it out there. Just follow these steps. And by the way, I'll remind you again, if you're interested in learning even more, just go to this on-demand workshop. It's going to show you even more about how to get clients from social media. ProutyClass.com. I put that up there for you because I want you to be successful. And while everything I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now, which is why I'm going to put a link to another video right here for you to check out right now. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts whenever I create content like this.